1991 Lincoln Cent, coin collectors and history lovers. Today, we are taking a close look at the 1991 Lincoln Cent, a modern U.S. penny that may seem common but has some rare varieties and high-grade examples that can be worth big money at auction. Stick around as we explore its history, design, rarity, and real auction prices. History of the 1991 Lincoln Cent. The Lincoln Cent has been a staple of U.S. currency since 1909, when it was first introduced to honor the 100th birthday of Abraham Lincoln. Designed by Victor David Brenner, the original version featured wheat ears on the reverse, which were later replaced by the Lincoln Memorial design in 1959 to commemorate the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. By 1991, the Lincoln Memorial Cent had been in circulation for over 3 decades, and it continued to be struck in a copper-plated zinc composition. A change that was made in 1982 due to rising copper prices. The 1991 Lincoln Cent was struck at 3 mints: Philadelphia Mint, No. Mint mark, 5,165,940,000 minted; Denver Mint, D. Mint mark, 4,158,442,076 minted; San Francisco Mint, S. Mint mark, proofs only, 2,867,787 minted with billions of coins produced. Most 1991 pennies are common, but rare high-grade specimens and certain errors can be extremely valuable. Design of the 1991 Lincoln Cent. The 1991 Lincoln Cent features the classic Lincoln Memorial design, which was used from 1959 to 2008 before being replaced by the 2009 bicentennial designs and the shield reverse. In 2010, obverse, front side, features a right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln designed by Victor David Brenner. In God We Trust, inscribed along the top rim. Liberty appears to the left of Lincoln. The date, 1991, is placed to the right of Lincoln's profile. If minted in Denver, there will be a small D mint mark below the date. Philadelphia cents have no mint mark. Reverse, back side, features the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo. The Lincoln statue inside the memorial can be seen with close inspection. The inscriptions include, United States of America, at the top, E pluribus unum, above the Lincoln Memorial, 1 cent, at the bottom. This classic design remained on the U.S. penny until 2008, making it a well-recognized coin in circulation. Rarity and value of the 1991 Lincoln Cent. Since billions of these coins were minted, most 1991 pennies are only worth face value in circulated condition. However, in high grades and with rare varieties, they can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Circulated condition, worn coins, face value, $0.01. Slightly better condition, 5 cents, $0.10. Uncirculated condition, high-grade coins, MS 60 to MS 64, $1. $5 MS 65, strong luster. Minimal marks $10, $15 MS 66, gem condition $20, $40 MS 67, near perfect, scarce in this grade $150, $500 MS 68, almost flawless, extremely rare $1,000, $3,000 plus auction highlight. In 1991, D. Lincoln Cent graded MS 68 RD by PCGS sold for over $3,800, proof 1991, S. Lincoln Cent, San Francisco Mint, S. Mint mark, PR 67 to PR 69, deep cameo $5, $15 PR 70, perfect condition $100, $300 plus auction highlight. In 1991, S. proof penny graded PR 70 deep cameo sold for over $500. Rare errors and varieties of the 1991 Lincoln Cent. Some 1991 Lincoln Cents contain mint errors and varieties that make them highly valuable. Here are some to look for. 1. 1991 Lincoln Cent struck on a wrong planchet. Some pennies were mistakenly struck on a dime planchet or foreign coin planchets. These errors can be worth $500 to $3,000, depending on the condition. 2. 1991 off-center strike. If the design is misaligned, with part of the coin blank still visible, it is an off-center error. A 10% off-center strike may be worth $50 to $100, while a 50% off-center can sell for $300 plus. 3. 1991 double die obverse, DDO, or reverse, DDR. Some 1991 pennies show doubling in the date, letters, Or Lincoln's profile. A strong doubling effect can make the coin worth $100, $1,000, for 1991 broadstrike error. A broadstrike happens when a coin is struck without the collar, making it appear wider and flatter. These errors can be worth $50 to $200, depending on condition. If you think you have a rare variety or error, getting it authenticated by PCGS, NGC, or ANACS is the best way to determine its true value. How to sell a 1991 Lincoln Cent. If you have a 1991 Lincoln Cent and want to sell it, follow these steps. Check its condition. Coins in MS 67 or higher are much more valuable. Look for rare errors, double dies, off-center strikes, and broad strikes can be worth big money. Get it graded. If you have a high-grade or rare variety, getting it certified by PCGS or NGC will increase its value. Sell online. Websites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and Great Collections are great for selling collectible coins. Visit a local coin dealer or show. You can also sell to local coin shops or attend coin shows for potential buyers. Final thoughts. The 1991 Lincoln Cent is a common coin in circulation, but high-grade examples and rare errors can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. If you have one, be sure to check its condition, look for rare varieties, and consider getting it graded. You might be holding on to a hidden treasure. That's all for today's deep dive into the 1991 Lincoln Cent. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coin collecting insights. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting.